Updating your payment method on Qlik is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Qlik website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage payment methods. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment information. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Payment Information or Billing. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment method. Choose the option to edit or update your payment method. Enter the new payment details, such as credit card information or bank account details, as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payment method. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Qlik. Make sure to review your information periodically to keep it up to date.